How to change file format of your photos on your Android device. Hello everyone, it's me Rag, and in this video tutorial I will be teaching you how you could change the file format of your photos on your Android device. For this, at first you have to go to your Google Chrome on your device, then you have to tap on change file format of my photos. Now when you tap on child file format of my photos, now here you can see the various kind of option here. Now what you can do is, first of all, you have to search it, you have to wait for a while, and after waiting for a while, now here you can see this very option, that is smallpdf.com. Now here you can convert your images to variety of things. You can either convert your images to JPEG if they are in very PNG format, otherwise you could also change it from PDF to other format. So you have to tap on the option of get started. Here what you can do is you can also convert your JPG images into PDF. Whatever you want to change, you can go to the option of choose files here. When you tap on the option of choose files, now you have to go to the option of files here. After you tap on the option of files, now you have to tap on the very image that you would like to change. After tapping on the very image that you would like to change, you can see it like this here. And then what you have to go to the option of convert. After tapping on the option of convert, it will convert your very image. You can download it on your device and you are done. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.